All right, my plan for the hoop structure is to run these fence boards between these fence posts. And then on the back side, I'm going to take a 2x2 and screw it to the bottom of this fence board for a ledge. And do the same on that side. Then I'm going to take the cattle panels and stick it in here and bow it up over to the other side in this whole area, roughly 12 feet. And then we'll be able to run our shade cloth over the top of it and secure it, hopefully. Now I'm going to go on the inside and use those 2x2s over there and cut them between these poles and screw them to the bottom of this board, so I have a ledge for the metal to rest on when it's down in there, and then I'll secure the metal with some more screws. Can you hand me a clamp? Come back and hold it.
Say hey, Pops.
Hey, Pops.
What you doing now?
I'm going to try to wire these things together. See how it goes. All right, like I said before, we put on the fence boards on the outside, and then I screwed these 2x2s to the bottom of it, which gives the fence somewhere to rest on, and we will attach it to this so it obviously won't blow off or anything. But and then we're zip tying them together.
Action.
All right, well, we got the cattle panels on there, and the middle one is overlapping the two side ones, so I'm zip tying them together where they overlap. And also we had to cut out a notch for the post there, but it's coming along pretty good. Eventually I will fasten these down with some screws or something to get them to lock into this, and it'll be good.